Hey, how many have one of these? Under the bed, in a garage, no idea what to do with it? Then you have got to watch this video because I have got the 5 best full body BOSU ball exercises you can do using it. Hi, welcome back. Coach Tonya here with Criticalbench, and what I'm going to show you in this video today are 5 of the best full body exercises you can do using one of these. Now, how many of you have one of these? Don't lie to me. Under the bed, on a shelf, in the garage, or maybe it's become the dog's chew toy. I don't know. This is a great piece of equipment. I got the 5 banging exercises you need to be doing to work yourself from head to toe in the best way possible. Now, the first one we're going to start with is Superman. Love the Superman, or flying Superman, because it kind of looks like you're flying. So what you want to do is flat side down of the BOSU ball. Get yourself balanced. I kind of like to go lower down on the hip. Okay, it just makes me have to work a little harder, but ultimately you have to be balanced so you're not falling off the BOSU ball one way or the other. All right, a few things to keep in mind. So when we rest between Supermans, it's not a rest, it's a pause, okay? And when we come up, you're really tightening up everything in your core to lift feet. See, I'm not balanced. See? Those who can do and those who can't, teach. All right, slide back a bit. When you come up, again, engaging that core to lift up off the floor and hold yourself for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and pause. Come up. See, I'm still not balanced. Pause. Come up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slight pause and repeat. And you want to repeat that 10 to 12 reps. When you finish one exercise, you want to take a 30-second rest before moving into the next one, okay? So make sure you take that 30-second rest, grab a drink, get ready for the next exercise, which is up and down planks. You know me, I've always got planks in most of my videos. Again, flat side down. Oh, before I show you the plank, make sure you check out the pinned comment. There's a link in there for a free 5-minute core workout. You want to make sure you click that link and you're going to have that workout immediately in your mailbox, okay? All right, back to the plank. So we start with extended or on the palms, okay? You want your chest over the center of the BOSU ball, okay? Because that means your shoulders are pretty much over top of your hands as best they can be on a rounded surface, okay? So you start up, you come down to elbows, up, down to your elbows, and that's just an up-down or a high-low plank. Okay, again for a count of 10 to 12. 30-second break before moving into our next exercise. All right, the next exercise is a side-to-side squat. Now this one you can do in 2 ways depending on your fitness level, or actually depending what you want to get out of the workout. Basically, you're going to be moving side to side over the BOSU. On each side, you're going to be doing a squat, coming over, squat, coming over, all right, for 10 to 12. Now, doing that quickly just adds a bit more cardio, so if you wanted to increase the cardio of the workout, you definitely want to maybe speed it up. Still doing it correctly, okay? If you haven't worked out with the BOSU much, if your balance is a little bit challenged, what you can do is just squat, step, over, squat, step, over, squat. Still a great workout. You're still getting the benefit of the squat, and you're keeping yourself from falling all over the place, all right? Remember, 10 to 12 reps of those, 30-second break. A few things to keep in mind. When you're in that squat position, make sure your knees aren't coming way out past your toes, okay? So get a wide enough stance. If you want to go into like a sumo, which is with a bit of an out-turned toe, that's fine too. If you prefer traditional forward, that's fine as well. Make that transition, make sure you're steady for going into that squat again. Easy peasy. All right. Mountain climbers. Another one of my favorites. So we're going to take this, we're going to flip it over. Now we've created an unstable surface, which only increases the amount of work your core has to do. So while the mountain climber just by itself on a flat surface or a floor is a great core exercise, this just really, now it's game on, okay? It's adding that challenge without really adding what feels like a whole lot of extra work. So get yourself into a nice, solid, straight plank position and just knees up for 10 to 12, just like that. Your back is straight from the crown of your head to your heels. Okay, you're not like this. You're not like this. If you get wobbly, you need to pause, get your balance again. Fine, just don't give up. Keep going for those 10 to 12 reps. Hey, before I show you the next exercise, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click that little notification bell, because that way you're not going to miss out on any of our fantastic video content. Exercise. Now, it's a lot of fun, okay? It's a lot of fun. It's a little bit more challenging, so a few comments I want to make, or a few suggestions, is if you can't get your glutes right to the ball, that's okay. All right, if you're like really tight, that's fine. Still go through the motions of performing the exercise, and as your strength increases, as your flexibility and mobility increases, you'll be able to perform this in a fuller range of motion. I call this a squat tap to a jump. So it's incorporating a couple different movements. So once again, if you have issues with balance, if you're new to working with a BOSU ball or whatever, go through it slowly. This is not a speed contest, all right? So what you want to do is a squat position. Now, I do like a sumo stance. It's just with long legs, I find it a lot easier to do them. And what we're doing is bringing our glutes down to that ball, tapping, not sitting, tapping, coming up, jump to the ball, jump down. Okay, let's do that again real slow. So tap, jump. You want to make sure your heels are fairly close to that ball, because if you're right out here, if you're trying to hit the ball, you're gonna come back. If you are super tight and all you can do is here, that's fine. Do your squat, you can still jump up on the ball. Again, as your flexibility, mobility increases, you can tap, get up, jump. Tap and jump. 10 to 12 of these. It's actually a lot of fun. You know, these things are fun. There you go. Hey, thanks for watching that video. Again, make sure you're aiming for the 10 to 12 rep range on each of those exercises, and you want to perform 3 full rounds. Take a 60 to 90 second break between each round, and also remember to give yourself that 30-second break in between each exercise. And don't forget, in the comments below, check out that pinned comment and click that link for a free workout that you can have immediately. And while you're down in the comments checking out all the amazing things, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell, and you're never going to miss one of our wonderful videos ever again. Thanks for watching. See you soon.